Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. Yes, in fact, that is a stuffed llama watching over our kitchen, and his name is Fred. Anyways, today I shall embark on the journey of organizing the dreaded and infamous medicine cabinet. My goal in this video is to offer you some form of entertainment, maybe give you some inspiration of how you can organize your medicine cabinet, because let's face it, is your medicine cabinet organized right now? I didn't think so. I have this bite on my neck. How disrespectful that bug must have been to crawl on my neck and bite me. Without any further ado, let's begin. The funny thing about this is that it looks pretty put together, right? Like, it doesn't look too disorganized. You're like, Brie, what are you talking about? Are you crazy? Thing is,
You okay?
yeah. Just for dramatic effect.
What is happening?
Is that mold?
Ew.
Oh my gosh, the mold? Clearly, I tell you, I needed to do this.
Oh.
The point that I was trying to make in doing that was to show you that there's layers. There's just all these. It's everywhere. It's disorganized. It's a mess. It's also appropriate that I give you an outfit of the day. It is literally the most comfortable dress ever. I got it at TJ Maxx. It literally makes me feel like I'm Sleeping Beauty cleaning my cottage. So, back to the nitty gritty. The first step to any organization project that I ever do is always clearing the space that I'm organizing out fully. So that's what we're gonna do. How'd you get up there? Clear. Next step of this arduous process is to go through the things that I need to throw out and get rid of. Like for instance, the moldy gummies that I found. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at all of these things that I have and figure out what I need to throw away, what I can keep, and what is worth mentioning to you. Essential. In medicine cabinet world, I swear that things expire faster. I think it's because you never regularly have to organize your medicine cabinet, so when you do, it's like a year or two has passed. These supplements have expired. This is a really good herbal cleanse if you want to cleanse yourself out because you feel like you're stocked up. I got it from Sprouts. It's called Renew Life, and it is the Cleanse More supplements. Vitamin D3. Good for you. Let's quickly talk about what I have been taking before I go through the rest of everything. I've talked about it on my Instagram, but I'm gonna bring it here to YouTube because we're obviously in the middle of organizing supplements, so I might as well tell you what I take now. I used to always kind of handpick all of my supplements for myself, but it was hard to remember to take them and to remember which ones I needed to take for what. These are supplements that are personalized and tailored to your needs. You go online and you fill out a quiz. You pretty much just give general information on what you'd like to expect out of a supplement and what you want to achieve. Better looking skin, more energy, a restful sleep, like less stress, like anything like that. You just fill out the quiz and then they give you a combination of different supplements you should be taking to help you achieve those goals. I took the quiz and what came back for me was mainly to help with hormone regulation, skin, hair and nails, and then also more energy. That was like my thing. Okay, you open it up. Here I have individual packages, which these are biodegradable, by the way. You can recycle them, that say your name, and it says Up Your Glow, and they have all of your supplements that you need to take in a day. This has helped me so much to remember to take my supplements, one, but also not have to worry about, oh, what am I taking, what is this, what is that? It makes it super convenient and easy. It's right here. Once you sign up, you get your package sent to you every single month. I'm gonna get you a discount if you wanted to try it out yourself. I'm gonna put a code in the description box so you can check it out and try it. If anything, just take the quiz to just see what you need. You don't have to commit to it, but you can just see. For me, I was skeptical at first because I was like, I can do this on my own. I've done it for years. Like, I don't need to have someone sending me stuff. But I took the quiz and I was like, well, this is really detailed and really nice and I'm just gonna try it. So I tried it and I love it. So you get these cards in your package to tell you exactly what you're taking. And not only do they give you an abbreviation for what it is that you're taking, but it also breaks it down exactly what it is. I'm taking the base blend, a blend of essential vitamins and minerals to help support my thyroid health and my bone health. I really feel like this has definitely helped with regulating my periods and getting back on track to having a healthier like system down there, because I was getting a little scared for a little bit. I was like, what's going on? I have fish oil that I take, and it says fish oil contains all the critical omega fats These fatty acids help with hormone regulation, uterine health, fetal brain health, and development with inflammation. I have the MyBento Zinc. It's a powerful mineral proven effective for relief from hormonal acne breakouts. Then I have the Bare Essential Multivitamins. This is a woman's daily vitamin, and it's formulated to support your basic health needs, which I'm glad I have like an overall multivitamin. You have to be consistent, obviously, if you want to see results. So that's what I do. I just try to take them every single day. I miss days, but that's okay. Olive leaf is actually really good for you for immune support. I've noticed that in a lot of supplements that, you know, say it helps your immune system booster, they always contain olive leaf in it. This is not expired, so that's good. Woohoo! Priya Pump. This is for your bodybuilders. Creatine is an excellent supplement that helps with lean muscle building. The oils. I call them oils, but they're just liquid form herbal supplements. They're not really technically oils. I have 2 of the Parasite Cleanses because these ones from Sprouts are really amazing and they help really clean you out, especially if you've been traveling. I also have Black Walnut. We actually got this Black Walnut because when Theo had his worm infestation when he was a puppy, we wanted to make sure that we didn't have any, and this is a great supplement to take. Tastes terrible, but this is Echinacea, also a great boost to your immune system. This is one of the supplements that I will start taking in advance to help either lessen the sickness or to help fight it. These are the Moldy Gummies. It looks like it's just regular gummies, but I promise you that's not how they're supposed to look like. The expiration date is 3/22. That's mold. I didn't know these gummies molded, but that would make sense. But I've never witnessed gummy vitamins molding. Obviously we didn't like these enough because we didn't eat them all. I felt bad for wasting them. Apparently we're Ollie fans. These supplements, they get me by their packaging and their great advertisement. I've stopped taking them actually. I don't really need to take them anymore. I used to take this all the time, the Undeniable Beauty, and I just stopped taking them because I have new supplements. Let's see what the expiration date is. 5/2023, so I can actually still take these. I will take them right now because they're really good and they have... How did I buy these and not open them? Well, this is why you need to organize your medicine cabinet. I didn't even realize this. These taste so good. It's like candy. I remember when I first started taking these, my hair grew so fast. It's hard now because I think my body got used to it. You know how when you take supplements for a while and your body kind of gets used to it, so you have to switch things up? That's what happened with these, and I stopped seeing many results. So I stopped taking them. These sleepy time ones are potent. Like, you want to get knocked out? This gives me some crazy dreams. COVID tests, generic allergy medicine that expired last month. These beekeepers things are so delicious and so good. I don't know if you've heard about them, but they're amazing and I love them. We got these at a Korean store. This is Japanese ibuprofen, I believe. Actually really works well. I have all like the cold and flu stuff in a separate basket already. We rarely use it, but then when we do, I have to bring out the cold box. But I like to keep those like separately so that I have access to all of my supplements. Now this, my friend, is incredibly suspect. This is an old gum container that contains some kind of vitamin or pill. Don't know what it is. Why it's in a gum container, I have no idea. Now I need to find containers to place the items that I'm going to be keeping so that they can be organized in my medicine cabinet. I am obsessed with containers, like organizing containers. I love having separate containers for spaces because I just find it helps me stay organized so much better. And even when things aren't organized, if you just have compartments, it looks so good. I like to buy tons of acrylic containers, but I actually just ran out, so I need to go to the store and get acrylic containers. I got it. These are the containers. So we're gonna go ahead and use these cute little containers to just give a semblance of organization to the medicine cabinet. I know it doesn't necessarily look much of a difference from what you saw in the beginning. However, I can rest easy that I know that I have no expired items in my medicine cabinet, and I only have accessible exactly what I need. I can just pull out my containers just like that. This is not a very sophisticated organization, but in a short amount of time, you can do this in like, I literally did this in 20 minutes. Done. And you have a nice, somewhat together medicine cabinet. Sometimes it's not always about exactly how it looks. It's more of a mental thing, you know, with organizing certain things. At least it is for me. That's what I love the most about organizing, because it offers you so much mental clarity. If you feel bad, organize something. You'll feel better. I want to thank you so much for joining me on this occasion of organizing my medicine cabinet. I hope you were entertained. If not entertained, I hope you were able to take away something helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.